Here in front of me, I've got a 1/64 scale war pickup, a diecast model. But I think we can all see it's a Toyota Landcruiser, and when it says war pickup on the package, it probably means that it doesn't have a license. Okay, let's have a look at the package. Here we got the name of the brand, Hobby Fans. Here we got some text on the back. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Here it also says Hobby Fans. Let's open up the package. It's a box package, so no screws or whatsoever. Just some plastic, very well packed. I like that. As you can see, it comes with a heavy machine gun and a figure, but we're going to take a look at the pickup first. Feels really heavy. And I know Hobby Fans has pretty good quality. Let's put some light on and we can see it's a weathered version. I like that. Very good rolling wheels. And we have side mirrors with a silver sticker on it. Here we got some text on the side. I've looked it up and it says something like defending officer. So here we see Lanced front lights. We see Toyota. These lights here are also Lanced. And we have... Let's see if I can open it. We have an opening part. There we go. We have an opening part with a Toyota logo on the engine, and it says V6 VVT4, and then it says V6. Some color details. I like that. Windscreen wipers are not mounted on the glass. So that's a good thing. And mud on the hood here. We got a snorkel here on the side. Let's see, we got a spare tire here in the back. Rubber. Yeah, and all the other tires are also made out of rubber. And this is die-cast. This is all metal here. We can't open the back here. And these are painted rear lights. We got a small tow bar here. And it's also a metal base. So the model itself is really, really good. Normal screws, so you can take it apart for customizing. I don't think it's necessary because it already looks very good. Then we're going to have a look at the machine gun. Heavy machine gun for in the back. I like that it can move up and down. That's pretty cool. Let's put it in the back like this. There we go. And then we have the figure right here. This should be a 160. Oh, it should be a 1/64 figure, but if I look at it, it looks more like a knight than a rebel figure. Got flexible arms, by the way. That's pretty cool. It's made out of rubber, so it won't break that easily. But I have better rebel figures in my collection. Let's see how this looks. It has to be something like this. Let's see. So it should be. Nah. Figure is not that good, but it has to be something like this or so. So that's the best I can do. But like I said, it looks like a knight and not like a rebel figure. Got some better rebel figures, I will show you. I think it's also pretty small for a 1/64 scale. So here I've got some rebel figures from my collection. see, I'm going to pick this one right here. That's a good one. And the one right next to it, no, that's a running figure. This one is also pretty good, and this one right here, also good figure. Take it all out. Got one with an RPG. Is there another one? Well, this is more than enough for now. So I've got this one right here. Camouflage, pants, sunglasses, beard, Kalashnikov, the ultimate rebel machine gun. And we can place it right here in the back. And that already looks, oh, yeah, it needs some gum to stay in its place, but this already looks a lot better in my opinion. Really good figure. This is a 172 figure, by the way, but it fits pretty good next to with the pickup. Here we have another 172, and look at the figure that comes with the pickup. It's even smaller than a 172 figure. So these figures are perfect for this war pickup. Oh, to do it like this. And then you get a nice shot. Okay, so let's have a look at some other war pickups I have. Got a similar one, also in a 164 scale. Let's put the machine gun back at its place because it will break easy. And also the figure, voila. So I have another one right here. Did a review about it not so long ago. The Australian Toyota Landcruiser. It should have opening parts, but fortunately that was not the case. Looks really nice, by the way. So there is a lot of potential in this Diecast brand. It's from the brand U2. Yeah, you see this already came loose. So a lot of room for improvement. With the antennas in the front. Painted shovel. No opening doors. Had a really good interior. You can look it up on my channel. Let's place it next to the one from Hobby Fans. So this one is a little higher on the wheels. I think the size, yeah, this one is also a little bit longer. Okay, here I can compare it with a Humvee. I thought a Humvee was a pretty big car. This is from the brand Master. It should be 164 scale. Can we see it? No, it doesn't say anything about a scale. Nice weathered version also. But apparently Toyota pickup is pretty big car. Mitsubishi Pajero right next to it. Yeah. Then I've got a 172 model with a machine gun for air defense. Let's see if I can open it. I think I did a review about this model. This is from the brand pons 172 scale. Oh, no, I didn't do a review. Tape is still here. So, yeah, basically the same. You can see the 172 scale is a little bit smaller. That's very logical. This one also comes with two figures that can sit here on the machine gun. Also comes with this right here. Not sure what it's for. Maybe it's got some opening parts. Anyway, have to do a review about it. Well, why not? Let's open it up. So, there we go. Made out of resin, not a diecast model. Not sure if these are still available. This is also a weathered version. Yeah, very good details here. No rolling wheels, resin model. Very good interior. And I believe, can you move the... No, I don't think so. Maybe... Oh yeah, you can move this up and down, but you have to be careful. Windscreen wipers not molded in the glass, lanced headlights, snorkel also. Can we open? Yes, we can open this. Cool. Yeah, very good model. I also have the other one from Panzerkampf, the Helix. Also a weathered model. Comes with the same machine gun as the one from Hobby Fans. This one has a much better figure. This looks way more rebel. And also here in the back an opening part. Yeah, let's take this off. Oh, this will. So here we have also a very nice base. Very cool car for a 172 with what? I was not expecting this. The first time I noticed that you can open the hood. That's pretty cool. This one should also have an opening hood, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a surprise. Opening parts with a plastic model. Then I also have a bigger model in a 132 scale, also Toyota Helix. This one is pretty cool. This is from Kim Diecast. And I think this was one of the first models from Kim Diecast. Check this out. How cool is this? Heavy machine gun for in the back. Yeah. Diecast model. And it comes with sound. I took the batteries out. But it definitely comes with light and sound. Very good black interior, no color details. Rolling wheels. Yeah, 132 scale. Fortunately, I can't let you hear the sound. What? Another opening part right here with some engine details. And yeah, this can also open. Back then I was already very surprised about the good deal about the good details, and that it was a wetted version, that it has very good quality, comes with light and sound. And the reason I bought it is because it comes with a, oh, I have to do it like this, heavy machine gun. That's sick, right? The only thing that is missing, Rebel figures. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this Hobby Fans war pickup and about the other war pickups that I have showed you. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon. Bye.